if you're in your garage, don't go to Walmart, Target, Home Depot and get nothing out the spray can. You at least go to Harbor Freight, get your Harbor Freight gun, and I just recommend this ACME. You know, go to your local Sherwin Automotive. It got to be the Sherwin Automotive, and you can find this primer here on sale at the store. You know, if you go in stores, sometimes they have it for like $65 the kit, or you can go online and you can find this for under $100. I'm gonna have a link below, but this spray pretty good, and it's nice, silky, and it's a high solids 2K urethane primer, and it once it's laying it dry, it feel like polyester, you know, that silky stuff. But this is good budget, and it's 2K, meaning that it's a hardener in the actual material, the primer itself, so it really do get hardener. And it's a ACME, Sherwin brought the company. You know, I use House of Color, PPG. I got some PPG, House of Color. But you can also get some of this. And for your DIY, I would suggest this. This is just my tip. Budget friendly right here. That good ACME. Go to Sherwin Williams Automotive. I also put a link below in case you want to order some online at some good prices. I'm going to do the searching for you, find you some good prices. But don't go to Home Depot, Walmart, or Target and get you some Rust-Oleum Radican primer. Just get you some of this here. It come with this. You put this together. That's the kit. It's 2K high solids primer, urethane primer. You know, I use House of Color, but House of Color I use, that'll cost you $200 a kit. And PPG, that's like $50 a quart. So if you're on a budget, you're in your garage, and just get you some of this.